I'm John McEnany, Harley-Davidson Motor Company. I've been building and customizing Harley-Davidsons as long as I can remember. This year is our 115th anniversary, and we're celebrating it the best way we know how, building a 115th anniversary medal. Let's take a closer look. We've got two limited edition paint schemes featuring the 115th Eagle and custom paint sets available across a total of 9 models. This is our Legend Blue denim paint, serialized on each tank. We've got two-tone Legend Blue and Vivid Black paint job, featuring a triple pinstriping, which we have never used in production before. From the distance to up close, this is a powerful paint job with a powerful statement of freedom. These bikes are the only ones that you will see with this very special multi-metal tank emblem. We also have this beautiful anniversary seat featuring perforation, blue stitching, and embossed with HDMC. You want rare, you want exclusive. How about this? The #1 serialization for the 115th anniversary Breakout. This is the crown jewel of our lineup. The 115th anniversary CVO Ultra Limited, featuring 117 inches of Milwaukee 8 power, a deep, beautiful paint job, serialization on the console, custom diamond seat. Put your ass on some class. These machines are destined to become collector's items. So why don't you come on down to the Bangkok International Motor Show, check them out in person, and ride off with one.